وقد قال الله تبارك في القرآن المجيد والفرقان الحميد وقد قال الله تبارك وتعالى في القرآن المجيد والفرقان الحميد رضي الله عنهم ورضوا عنه أو كما قال عليه الصلاة والسلام. I start with the name of Allah, who is Rahman and Rahim. Respected chief guests, my dear teachers and my dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. First of all, I shall be very thankful to Almighty Allah, and after that, Hazrat Maulana Waqas Rashid Sahib and other teachers. Today my topic about it sitting personal example. Dear listener, Hazrat Umar Farooq Radhiyallahu Ta'ala anhu was the second among the four Khulafa'i Rashidin. The first Khalifa was Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq Radhiyallahu Ta'ala anhu. Hazrat Umar Farooq Radhiyallahu Ta'ala anhu, the second Khalifa, was known as one of the best administrators of the world. He set up a very high standard of integrity for himself and for his family. He wanted to set an example for the Muslims because he was the Khalifa. Once Abdullah Radhiyallahu Ta'ala anhu, the son of Hazrat Umar Farooq Radhiyallahu Ta'ala anhu, he purchased some camels. They were quite clean. Hazrat Abdullah Radhiyallahu Ta'ala anhu sent those camels to the state pasture where they grazed and got fattened. After some time, the camels were not in the high place. They were quite clean. When Hazrat Umar Farooq Radhiyallahu Ta'ala anhu come to know the fact, he ordered that the Prophet erred by Hazrat Abdullah Radhiyallahu Ta'ala anhu on the camel to the state pasture where they grazed, on the state station. Dear listener, Hazrat Umar Farooq Radhiyallahu Ta'ala anhu issued strict orders that none of his family would accept any gift from anyone. Today, I topic about it setting personal example. When Hazrat Umar Farooq Radhiyallahu Ta'ala anhu, the son of Hazrat Umar Farooq Radhiyallahu Ta'ala anhu, he purchased some camels. He asked the highway to carpet because he was the Khalifa. The time is our. So why I'm to feeling in the street? Thanks for listening. Wassalam.